Okay, guys, today I want to discuss a topic which, without a shadow of doubt, is the most worrying, most imminent issue that the world is going to face. It's none other than recovery of the industry and commerce post COVID. We know instinctively that the recovery is going to take some time. But then, many skeptics and pessimists feel that we may never recover fully anytime soon, which led me to a thought process to suggest a recovery plan for industry and commerce post-COVID. In my view, what COVID has done to industry and commerce is that they have scared people from coming out. They have scared people from going to offices. They have scared people from going to malls. They have scared people from availing services at the premises of the service provider. So the solution lies in the problem itself. So what we need to do is take away the need for the consumer to visit the service provider, the retailer, the manufacturer, the franchisee, or whatever. Now you might have seen many schools and colleges going online with their classes. Of course, this might, to some extent, take care of the delivery of the service, that is, education. But then what about admissions? What about promotion of the institution? See, one needs to look at this problem from the 360-degree angle. Post-COVID, educational institutions need to go online in toto. In the sense, they need to promote the institution online, go for the most advanced digital marketing strategies. They need to invite applications online. They need to evaluate applications online. They need to conduct interviews online. They need to complete the selection process online. They need to verify certifications online. They need to take fees online, and they need to deliver classes online. In other words, they have to go online 360 degrees. This is the case with products and services, other products and services. For example, even aircrafts and jumbo trucks may have to be sold online. You may be wondering how this is possible. You know, the showrooms now have to become virtual showrooms where you can visit, examine your products, even if it's a jumbo truck, check it out with the help of a tour guide who will take you around the truck online, answer your questions, point out the advantages of the truck, open up the engine cabin, show you different engine parts, convince you that this is the best truck to buy. So the entire process, see, if you look at even servicing a car, it has to change completely. See, you cannot expect the customer to take the car to the service station and get it serviced because he is simply scared. So how do car service providers operate in the post-COVID days? Simple. In fact, you have to book a service online. The service provider will assign a particular driver to pick up your car, service it properly, and deliver it with an assurance that the entire car has been sanitized after the service. So what has to happen is simple, straight and clear. It is not possible to survive post-COVID by making one or two aspects of your product or service online. You have to go online 360 degree. Every single aspect of your product or service has to go online. In other words, you have to totally remove the reason for the consumer to step out of the safety of his home. See, you may be wondering why in post-COVID days we are still scared. See, please note there is no such thing as post-COVID days. What I mean by post-COVID days, post-inflagration, in the sense post-COVID simply means the point of time when we get used to it. In other words, we decide to operate normally to the extent possible or live with COVID. And that is what is meant by post-COVID. We have to get used to it. Okay? So the only strategy in front of us is 360 degree online service. Every single aspect of a product or a service has to go online. Even procurement, supply chain management, everything has to go online, 360 degrees online, every single aspect online. And we have absolutely no choice, that I can assure.